Welcome to the island of Maui here in Hawaii. Awesome.
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, come on, yeah. I don't want the pain, a two-step with me, come on, two-step with me, come on.
I just got my rental car, just got the Hawaii, and the coolest thing so far is the license plate. I love it, it's very colorful, it's cool. What's up guys, welcome to day one in Hawaii, and I'm so excited because Hawaii is absolutely gorgeous. The sun is shining as you can see, couldn't have asked for a better day. So I know you're asking yourself the same question, Alex, why are you in Hawaii? Well, how great Hawaii is, all the cool stuff there is to do, and basically my personal experience of traveling through Hawaii for 8 days. Yeah, so that's a pretty great gig if you ask me. Get ready for what I think is going to be an amazing adventure. Alright, so I thought I'd start my trip out slow here in Hawaii. Not really starting slow, I'm just going to get right into it. So today we're actually going to do paragliding, which is the first thing you should do the very next day you arrive into Hawaii, is go for some extreme action sports. I'm with my new buddy Dexter here. Dexter's in charge of the paragliding school, and he's gonna take me up on a tandem today. Fortunately, it's only about a 10-minute flight, but you know, it is what it is. So in aviation, there's a few things that always happen, and one of them is waiting. So we're currently waiting for the wind to shift a certain way for us to go safely. So here you have the ocean. Here you have what looks like a storm coming in. You got a little rainbow over there. All right, so Dexter and I were talking, and here's a little fun moment, is that those of us who are experienced in doing things like this, whenever we're with somebody, we're always like the worst people to take, because it's like a doctor going to a doctor.
He knows a little bit too much.
It's real funny because I'm checking the harness, I'm making sure I'm strapped in, and yeah, sometimes just like doctors, we make the worst patients sing. So
you don't want to ride on the back of a motorcycle once you know how to ride the front of the motorcycle.
That's another wonderful comparison. Yep. That was awesome, huh? The views were great. It was so quiet up there. It was fantastic. There's rainbow going on. That was an awesome experience. Wow. If you guys ever have an opportunity, be sure to paraglide here in Hawaii, because pretty awesome. Back on the road, and we've gone to the next adventure. All right, so now I'm going to drive the road to Hana, and the road to Hana is a very famous road here in Maui because it has some really amazing scenery, a lot of waterfalls. I was on the road and I found these hitchhikers, and I decided to invite them along for my adventure. So we have Celeste and we have Katia. They're from Mexico. It's a small world, let me tell you, because they're like, well, we want to go to the road to Hana, I want to go to the road to Hana, and that's how we found each other. So check it out, this main road here, we have a beautiful view, as you can see, and we have Auntie Sandy's banana bread. And this is a very famous thing here on the road to Hana. Check out all those cool ice cream flavors. You have Kona mud pie, chocolate macadamia nut. That's pretty unique. Tuna sandwich, veggie burger, pork burger. A lot of neat and interesting stuff here at the stand. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have banana bread. Look at this, it's still piping hot. Look at that. How's the bread?
Perfect.
Probably the best banana bread I've ever had. Yep, this is it. The best banana bread I've ever had. Come check this place out. Take this quick moment as we're having banana bread to tell you that I've traveled for like 5 years by myself, and I've realized that it's very nice to share a journey, an adventure, or some banana bread with people. All of us travelers around the world, we're all family in some way. If you're ever traveling and you see another traveler, be sure to invite him out for some banana bread. Have an experience, you'll remember it forever, and you might even make a friend, right? Are we gonna be like the best friends now?
For sure.
Eating some bread, making some friends. waterfalls. Just literally on the side of the road here in Hawaii. How amazing. Look at that. You got the road here, and you literally have the waterfall there. It looks like you're driving through a rainforest, a jungle, and it just keeps getting better and better. Only problem is that you have these one-way, one-car kind of things, so you got to be very careful. Hana lava tube, so it's Maui's largest lava tube, so that should be fun. All right, so we're gonna go explore this volcanic tube. Basically, it's where lava used to flow. Cool. So that's it. What do you think about the cave?
Oh, it's really scared.
But check it out. The lines you see in front of you are actually where the lava used to flow. Hello, fellow spelunkers. Spelunking, funny word. Spelunking means explorer of a cave. Welcome to another installment of Tall People Problems. All in this darkness, there's one spot in this cave that has sunlight. And this is the spot where 1,000 years ago, there was an eruption, and that's why this exists. This is such a cool experience. I love the sound and how silent it is, and just hear the water falling in the cave. How was it, guys?
Yeah, guys, you should come. It's perfect.
All right, we are now at Wainapanapa. Wainapanapa. Oh, I think I said that right. And that's a mouthful. This is the black sand beaches that we see here. You look at pictures of Wainapanapa State Park, you'll see the black beach, which is incredibly small. And there's so many people. It's not even sand, it's just rocks that are just pelted. That is so cool. Gotta run. So it's lunchtime, and from the road we have food trucks. Look at that, I never expected food trucks here in Hana. It is very cute. You can even buy 1 square foot of Maui for $25. That's cute as well. All right, on the menu today we have pad thai. Look at that. Woo. That looks really good. How is it?
Really good.
Yeah. Have you noticed that Celeste's word of this trip is perfect? I guess all she says, how's this place? Perfect. How's this? Perfect. Thanks to Hawaii Tourism USA for sponsoring this video. To plan your own trip to Maui, check out the description. So I was kidding, I didn't find them on the road. I actually found them through an application called Couchsurfing. And in Couchsurfing, you can meet up with other people who are traveling. And basically, we put a little hangout group and we said, I'm driving the road to Hana, you're driving the road to Hana tomorrow, so why not jump in the same car? So that's what we're doing.